We all use tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or create images with Midjourney. But have you ever wondered what actually powers these tools? The answer is something called a foundation model. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am your host, and today we are going to decode one of the most important concepts in generative AI, the foundation model. So what is it? A foundation model is a large-scale AI model trained on a massive amount of data, text, images, code, and audio from the internet. Unlike older AI models that were built to do just one thing, like only playing chess or only detecting spam, a foundation model is broad. It learns patterns, grammar, facts, and reasoning generally. Think of a foundation model like a Swiss Army knife. It isn't built for just one specific job. It has a blade, a screwdriver, scissors, and a file. It is a multi-purpose tool. In the same way, a foundation model like GPT-4 isn't just a chatbot. It's a general tool that you can adapt to write essays, solve math problems, write code, or even translate languages. But how do companies build them? It happens in two main steps. Let's explore these crucial stages in the development of these powerful AI systems. Step 1 is pre-training. Imagine a student who goes to the library and reads every single book available. They learn history, science, math, and literature. They have a strong foundation of knowledge, but they don't have a job yet. Step 2 is fine-tuning. This is where we take that knowledgeable student and train them to be a doctor, or a coder, or a customer support agent. We take the general model and adapt it for a specific task. Let's look at the most popular examples you need to know as a student. These models are shaping the future of technology and are essential to understand. GPT-4 by OpenAI. This is the foundation model behind ChatGPT. It handles text and code, demonstrating incredible versatility in language tasks. Gemini by Google. This is a multimodal foundation model, meaning it understands text, images, and video all at once, offering a comprehensive AI experience. Stable Diffusion. This is a foundation model specifically for generating images, transforming text prompts into stunning visuals. Llama by Meta, an open-source model that developers can use to build their own apps, fostering innovation and accessibility in AI development. To summarize, foundation models are the base layer of the AI revolution. They are the engines inside the cars we drive every day, like ChatGPT and Copilot, driving innovation forward. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simplified AI tutorials. If you have any questions about these models, drop a comment below and I'll answer them.